When faith replaces doubt, when selfless service eliminates selfish striving, the power of God brings to pass His purposes. When the voice of God speaks to you, it comes with courage. You don't need to know where you are going if you know God is leading you. God hears you, and you can be confident that your prayers are answered. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have 1,000,000 reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. Prayer is not just asking. It is a longing of the soul. It is daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in prayer to have a hurt without words than words without a hurt. As we draw near to God, He will draw near to us, and day by day, the hope of God's light will grow within us. If you will ignore me now, I will ignore you in front of my Father who is in heaven. Type, I will never ignore you, Jesus. Amen.